Looking for the perfect kitchen appliance to make meal prep effortless? Say hello to the 8-quart programmable slow cooker by INDY VAC. This stylish and versatile slow cooker is a must-have for every kitchen. Whether you're feeding a small crowd or preparing a hearty family dinner, why you'll love it. Stylish options. Choose from eye-catching colors like red, black, stainless steel, and more to match your kitchen decor. Multifunctionality. Roast, steam, sauté, or stew, this slow cooker does it all. Perfect for chicken, ribs, soups, and more. Customizable cooking. Adjust time and temperature to suit your unique cooking needs. Plus, the heat preservation function keeps your food warm and ready when you are. Large capacity. With an 8-quart oval design, it's perfect for feeding 10+ people, cooking large cuts of meat, or even a whole chicken. Safe and reliable. Featuring a thick stainless steel shell, cool touch handles, and a tempered glass lid, this slow cooker ensures safety and durability. Transform your cooking experience with the INDY VAC 8-quart programmable slow cooker. Because delicious meals should be easy and stress-free. Get yours today and take your family dinners to the next level. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing kitchen tips and product reviews.